Good morning, PCE Trailblazers, and happy Monday. Here's a recap of what happened last week. On Friday, our second graders had an awesome time performing their poems at their poetry cafe. They did great. Last weekend, some of our fourth graders participated in the Tustin City's lemonade stand. They did a great job. They made quite a bit of money and they learned how to interact with customers and to market their product. These kiddos are going to be great salesmen one day and might just own their own businesses. Here's a picture of third grade having a blast at PE time. And last Tuesday night, a group of about 30 of us met to launch our Club TKO. It is the kindness operation. It started in the UK and we're bringing it to PCE. We are the first school in Tustin Unified to launch a chapter of Club TKO. Look for these exciting moments from Club TKO kiddos, helping to make our campus a kinder, more inclusive place. Mrs. McMillan's class harvested their vegetables and they turned it into a fabulous vegetable soup that they got to enjoy as a class on Friday. It smelled absolutely delicious, and luckily they saved a little bit for me. Here's a picture of Mrs. Hong's class out in the garden releasing their butterflies. How lucky we are to have such a great space like our garden. Here's a picture of our kindergarten science explorers. They were exploring with bubbles. They were also exploring with pushes and pulls for their science unit. And now it's time for Mindful Monday. Today we're going to do the scrunch and let go. So I'd like you to get comfortable in your chair. Sit up straight and tall, and I invite you to close your eyes. Scrunch up your toes and make all the muscles in your legs really strong. Go ahead, pull them really tight. Pull your belly in and squeeze the muscles in your arms. Make your hands into fists and scrunch up your face. If you want to, squeeze your eyes shut. Now take a long breath in, and as you let the air out, slowly let all those muscles go. Take another long breath in, and as you let the air out, let your whole body relax. Do it again if you'd like. Ready? Scrunch up your toes. Make all the muscles in your legs really strong. Pull your belly in. Squeeze the muscles in your arms. Make your hands into fists and scrunch up your face. Now take a long breath in. Let the air out and slowly let all your muscles relax. Great job. Have an awesome week, Trailblazers.